What's good, babes? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Brittany Lachelle, and here on my channel I show everyone at home how to slay their hair easily and affordably from the comforts of your home, so you can skip the salon and save you some money, headaches, and some time. Okay. Anyways, in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick weave maintenance or refresher, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to be washing my hair extensions, washing my leave out, and just reviving my quick weave install that I did about 2 weeks ago. In this video, my install is about 2 weeks old, so I'm going into, like I said, give it a refresher, revive these bundles, and style it in a different way I've been wearing the hair in its natural state. So let's get started. First things first, you want to comb out your hair or detangle your hair like you saw me previously doing using a wide tooth comb. And then once you get all of the detangles out, we're going to go in to begin to shampoo and condition our hair and our hair extensions. I'm going to be using some really affordable Tresemme and Aussie conditioner and shampoo. You can get this from your local drugstores and beauty supply stores. And as you can see, I've gone in to drench my hair with some warm water, and now I'm going to go in to apply my shampoo. So when you're washing your quick weave while it's still on your head, it's very important that you do not dunk your entire head underneath the shower or the faucet, wherever you're using to wash your hair with. Do not dunk your head up under, because this is a quick weave and water helps with removing a quick weave. So doing so will definitely make your quick weave slide right on out after a few hours. So definitely don't dunk your head up under the water, but you definitely want to, utilize your faucet, and if you have a sprayer, your sprayer, to get just the extensions wet. And also you can get, close up to the root and close up to the weft, as long as you're not, like I said, drenching the hair extensions. So right now I'm just getting some shampoo, getting it all through the hair, combing it through, and then I just went in to wash out that shampoo. And now we're going to go and move on to applying our deep conditioner. So I'm going to pretty much repeat that same process you just saw me do with the shampoo. I'm going to use the conditioner on this side of my head, and I'm not going to wash my whole entire head on camera for the sake of time, but I am going to wash one side just to show you exactly what I do for my whole head. That I have my hair extensions covered in conditioner to my liking, I'm going to go ahead and pin it up with a clip, because I want to let this conditioner sit in my hair extensions so it can get my hair extensions as soft and silky as it possibly can naturally, without me having to add any additional products, because I hate adding products to my extensions. I love my hair to flow, and a product can weigh your hair down. So now we're going to get focused on this leave out, and for the leave out area, you want to just do the same method for the hair extensions, but you kind of want to be a little bit more precise and focus the water and the shampoo and the conditioner and whatever other treatments you're going to do to your leave out. Focus it directly onto your leave out, being careful not to put too much moisture near your extensions or your tracks, because that can make it slip up. And don't worry if you do have some tracks that may slip up during this process, because we can go in and fix that, which I'm going to show you how to do. And later on in the video, if you have some tracks that do become loose or come, detached during this process. So as you can see, I'm getting right in my scalp and just really just washing my leave out like I would if my whole entire head was getting washed and conditioned. So I'm shampooing, deep conditioning, all that stuff. Make sure you guys take care of your real hair while you have your extensions in. Your hair will thank you when you take them out. Alright, so I did go in and rinse all of that conditioner out of my hair off camera, and I just followed the same steps that I did earlier when I rinsed the shampoo out. Now we're going to go into blow dry and style the hair, and I'm obviously going to be using some heat protectant. Please use heat protectant on your hair and your hair extensions before you apply any type of heating styling tools to make sure you're protecting your hair. And can we just have a moment for how beautiful these hair extensions look when they're wet? Like, come on, natural curl pattern. But anyways, I'm gonna be, like I said, spraying down. As you can see, I got a track that came loose. We gonna fix that. But I'm gonna just spray the hair extensions down with some of that heat protectant, and I'm gonna detangle it again, and then I'm gonna get my blow dryer here in just a second to get these extensions dry. Then I'm gonna move on to drying my leave out, and I'm gonna let the video play to show. So once the hair got about 75% dry with my blow dryer, I went in to go test out this paddle brush dryer, whatever you want to call it. It's not the Revlon brand. It's this brand you can get from your local beauty supply store. And I 0 out of 10 do not recommend this. It just was not powerful enough. Like, I love the tool, I love the concept, but the blow dryer itself, it was just not powerful enough. I had it on high and I'm like, girl, what am I supposed to do with this? So anyways, I ended up not using this at all because it was just not doing the job for me. And I went back to my regular blow dryers. I just wanted to show this, that I did try to do this and to give my hair some body, some bounce, some voom. But this dryer it wasn't it for me. It's a no for me. Now that we have our hair completely dry, hair extensions dry, natural hair dry, look at that body and bounce and flow. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, girls, so remember earlier when I told you that sometimes the tracks can come loose? That's what happened here. So what you want to do is just take some of that glue and apply a little thin layer onto the webs like you did when you installed it. and then spray some of that hairspray onto where you're going to be applying that trackhead. This is going to be a layer of protection, also help it stick, and then stick it right on there. Stick it right back on down. Stick it right back on down. Don't worry about your hair getting glue in it. This is just a little section of the hair. I promise you, the glue will slide right on off, baby. Right on off. Don't yank it off. Don't snatch it off. Use some shampoo, conditioner, oils, and it will slide right off your hair. Never snatch it off. Voila, magic. So now we're going to go into, I'm going to wear this hair in a straight state. Like I said, this was 3 bundles of Brazilian Loosewave that I installed previously. And so I'm just going to go in and add some Cheat Silk Infusion because I'm going to be silking out this hair. And like I said, wearing it bone straight. So we're going to go ahead and apply some more heat protecting and go ahead and get started. The flat irons I'm going to be using are the Babyliss Pro flat irons. That's one of my favorite brands to get and to use. I think they're one of the goats out there when it comes to flat irons. So yeah, this part is going to be self-explanatory pretty much. I'm going to be utilizing a fine tooth comb and utilizing a chase method to get my hair super straight. I feel like everyone should be using the chase method these days to, get their hair straight because it gets it super straight, So yeah, I'm going to let the video play out, y'all, and I'm going to come back on to show you guys how I wrap my hair up at night and how it looks the next day. Get into wig roll. Okay, this is a 2-week or 3-week, one of them. Oh, we install and get into the bundles. Like, who you playing with? So at nighttime, when it's time for me to wrap my hair up, as y'all can see, I am about to do so. I just tuck my hair behind the ears if it's a bust down middle part like this, and I put my scarf on around my edges and to keep my leave out, in place with my bundles, and I tie a scarf like that. Then I also put on a bonnet. So I put a really long, one of those long tail, I don't know what they're called, one of those bonnets that's real long for your long hair extensions. I use one of those. They come in clutch. Definitely invest in one if you are a long hair wearing type of girl like me. Definitely invest in one of these, and then I go to sleep. Just that simple and easy. And then the next morning I wake up and get into it. This is how the hair looked the next morning. Unwrapping it. Leaveout and everything is in place. The only thing I did off camera was add some edge control to my edges. But as y'all can see, the Leaveout is definitely still blended in. As long as you wrap your hair up at night, you won't have any problems with having to constantly run the flat iron through your hair to get the hair to be bone straight. So, and if you do have to, he protecting, girl. He protecting. This pretty much wraps up the video, y'all, of me refreshing my quick weave and restyling it. I absolutely am in love with it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, all the information will be in the description box down below. And don't forget to stay beautiful and stay blessed.